Leo niko na neno from the book of Proverbs 15 verse 16 and 17. Na najua most of us tumecheki story, wengine hata tumeiencounter, wengine tumeona na tumekataa hii stuff hatutaki. So 16 nasema, better is a little with the fear of the Lord than great treasure with trouble. Watu wamejitokeza huku wamesema wametafuta, people are after money, but I always ask myself, are you happy? Because there are two different categories of those people who get money. Category one, there's a person who has encountered trials, tribulations, so many challenges in life, and every time he was joyful, like alikuwa anafurahi because of the trials that were coming in their lives, and it produced something called patience, because their faith was tested and was being tested to produce this thing called patience. Na hawakuchoka, walistick tu na hii vitu zao, wakajiaminia na wakaendelea tu kutrust God wao, na mahali wako saa hii wamebarikiwa na wako na mali, lakini they are ever happy. And then there's second category, the one who is actually being driven by the fact of wanting money. But this money, the things they do, the things they go out there to do, does not bring any great joy. So they're ever in pain, but they have a lot. And they just feel empty, they feel lost. They don't feel content, but out here they will show us that they are content, but deep inside they are wounded. So I don't know which category you choose. For me, I choose the one that I'm going with my own struggles, and God is testing my faith to produce patience. I let patience do its work, and definitely I will get my own. Then I go for this money and I'll be crying behind closed doors, but out here I am just imitating that which is not in me, and it's not making me happy.